Hey everyone, in this video I just want to talk about hitting 50 subscribers and then also talk about what I'm going to be doing with my channel next. So first of all, thank you all for letting me hit 50 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. When I first started this channel, I didn't even think I would get past 10. Mainly just because I thought I'd make 2 videos and quit after like a week. But I've been enjoying making content and then also learning little things like how to edit my own videos and how to make thumbnails. Part of the reason why I do enjoy this is the fact that people actually do watch my content, so I really do appreciate all those who stick around and all those who have subscribed. Even if you don't subscribe and you're just watching this video for the fun, thank you, I appreciate it. You might have been noticed that I haven't been hitting my daily uploads recently, mainly just because I did start working on the weekends. And on the weekends is mainly when I record my videos. I record them in little bunches. But also recently, I also haven't been able to think of any video ideas. When I do make tutorials, they're mainly on things like GFXs, things around GFXs. And there's only a certain amount of topics I can just keep talking about until I, run that run that well dry. There we go. So I've been thinking about branching out my content to things like gaming or commentary. I really like the idea of doing commentary videos, so next video just might be a commentary video. I might also just make another tutorial, who knows. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you again for letting me hit 50 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And for the people who are around, I hope you stick around. And that's about it. Have a good day.